Creating purchase order in Netsuite is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, go to Transactions and click Purchases or Vendors, then enter Purchase Orders. The system will typically auto-generate the purchase order number, but you can modify it if needed. Enter the posting date. Select the vendor from the drop-down menu. This will populate the vendor's address information. Next, choose the appropriate currency for the transaction. You can optionally select a purchase contract if you have one established with the vendor. Enter the received by date. In the Items sublist, click Add. Select the item you want to purchase from the item field. Enter the desired quantity. If applicable, enter the rate. Netsuite might automatically populate it based on previous purchases or vendor pricing agreements. You can add a brief description for the item. Click Add again to add more items, or click Save if you're finished.